Good morning, Facebook. Hello, YouTube. Hello, Instagram. However you're checking us out, we appreciate it. We appreciate the support. It is Wednesday morning, 11:15 in the morning, and a lot of cool things happening here at Aroma Thyme. We've been busy, so thank you everybody for supporting us. We really appreciate it. We could not be doing this without you right now, and we want to drop a lot of valuable information so that you can live safer, live better, live healthier right now, get access to higher quality foods. It's super important. Right now is the time where you need to have commitment to your health, commitment to what matters, and what matters is you being healthy. None of us can afford to be sick. A lot of us are parents, a lot of us business owners, family, spouses, and we have other people that rely upon us. And if we're sick, it kind of throws things off. So that's why Jamie and I are really focusing on putting a lot of information in your lap, giving you a lot of information about eating right, boosting your immune system, thinking right, all that kind of stuff. So if you followed our Facebook Lives through the way, in which a lot of people have, and we get a lot of comments and a lot of emails, and our Facebook Lives reach a great distance. So we really appreciate all that support virtually here, and for the people that are coming in and supporting us and buying things from us now. Thank you so much, because we could not be doing this without you. This is a whole new business frontier that I've never thought of. You don't open a restaurant, you don't open a business, and all of a sudden be like, wow, we can only do this aspect of takeout, and that's it, and that's all we're limited to, and we have no idea how long this is going on for. So again, really appreciate all the support from everybody. It's been overwhelming. So yes, be careful. It's a lot of pounds. So thank you everybody for that. There's a video on our Facebook page. It's an hour and a half long interview. It's an hour and a half long interview that is on 22 minutes with Bob McCauley. Bob McCauley is the author of The Miraculous Properties of Ionized Water. He is the guy who is the expert on water. That we talked about more than water though, but he talked about some super key elements of why this ionized water is in fact the most important thing you could put into your body, and how important water is in general. Most of the water in the stores, you go in, a lot of it's just tap water, filtered tap water, municipal water. There's things that have alkalinity in it. But a lot of this water has it's not pure water. It's not water that you'd want to consume. And he definitely says do not consume distilled water or reverse osmosis. Those waters are pure dead, and there's nothing in them. You can't make ionized water from distilled water, because you need a mineral content in the water to begin with. And he made some great analogies. He goes, imagine the water coming out of fruit. This is like the water that you are actually getting with ionized water. It's filled with electrons. It has an ORP. And he went into detail explaining all this kind of stuff. That is on our Facebook page. It's on our YouTube channel. Make sure you watch that. There's some really key elements in there of how to live healthy and build your immune system, and the things that he has and he takes. He's a naturopathic doctor. He cured himself of meningitis through angstrom silver, which is a very small particle colloidal silver. It's broken down much smaller, angstrom silver, and he talks about that and how that works with your body for viruses and stuff and all that kind of stuff. So Bob talks about a ton of stuff. We had a great time talking. He'll be back on. So we are giving away free water. Please share this, pass this on. This water that Bob talks about, Bob McCauley, in this interview, this is the same water that we are giving away for free. We have an expensive $2,000 machine here that we make this ionized water with, and this water is the water we're giving away. He sells the water in his store for $1.50 a gallon. Okay, people are coming in here right now filling up 5 gallons at a time. We'll fill you up. We have no problem filling you up with water. Just come in and get it. We'll fill you up. So, and that's free. Community service, free of charge. We're still giving out gloves as a community service. Do not go pump gas without having gloves on. Do not go to the grocery store. These gloves are super important. We're giving out a handful of these for free as a public service. Please share this. We're also selling boxes. I had some bad news last week. The price jumped 20%. I have worse news this week. I can't reorder gloves right now. I got a new shipment of gloves in yesterday. I got about 50, 60 boxes of these in yesterday, and I can't get any more after that. So I'm on a really tight supply on gloves right now. We're selling gloves like we're crazy. We actually sent gloves out today to Tennessee. Somebody from Tennessee called, watching our videos, and said, I need gloves. There's no gloves down here. Will you ship us 2 boxes? And of course, we're happy to do that. So when you get a box, if you buy a whole box, they're $8 a box. If you come in, we'll give you a handful for free as a public service. We'll give you the water as a public service. You need to support your immune system right now. You need to think right. You need to eat right. You need to act right. And unfortunately, you need to shut off the news a lot. Get your fix of the news in, and that's it. If you're sitting there watching the news all day and scrolling through Facebook and looking at after article after article about how this is a doomsday thing, this is a serious thing. But the more you put that into your mind, the worse off you're going to be. You need to focus on things that are going to make you healthier. And you're going to be able to, so your family can rely upon you. So your spouse can rely upon you. If you're taking care of your elderly parents, so they can rely upon you. If you're taking care of anybody, so they can rely upon it. It's super important that we all stay healthy. That's why Jamie and I are really focusing on telling you. Me personally, I take vitamin D every day. I've upped my vitamin D well over 20,000 international units. I'm taking 10 grams of vitamin C a day. I'm taking chlorella, spirulina. Bob McCauley in yesterday's interview talks about chlorella and the immune boosting properties of chlorella and how it is one of the ultimate foods. Chlorella and spirulina together, super power packed, and he talks about that in yesterday's interview. So make sure you watch that interview. I'm also I take a bunch of other things like CoQ10, coenzyme Q10. I take spirulina and chlorella. I rotate zinc in every couple days. 3 days on, 3 days off. Zinc lozenges is what I do. I'm drinking lots of water. So I'm doing a lot of things to boost my immune health. All right, make sure that I'm in tip-top shape. We all know that the way the body works is some of us get exposed to something and we fight it off, no symptoms, we build antibodies, and we live our life. All right, we know that through science, through medicine. Other people will not be able to fight all this off. And this is why they're always saying people that are immune compromised, elderly people, these are the people that should be taking extra special care. These are the people that should be in isolation. These are the people that need more caution because their immune systems are compromised. So they're admitting this. This is the thing the CDC admits. They admits that people that have compromised immune systems will suffer the most. But then they don't turn around and tell you how to actually improve your immune system, because anybody at any age can take more vitamin C, can take more vitamin A, more vitamin D. Anybody else you can go in the sun, you can get natural vitamin D. These are all things that you can do, but they're not telling us that. There's a lot of amazing doctors out there that are telling us this right now. Some amazing health individuals that are telling this. If you follow Dr. Mercola, Dr. Mark Hyman, Dr. Gundry, Gary Null, there's a lot of people out there that are medical doctors, that are highly qualified nutritionists that are talking about what you can do right now. And I watch these people every single day. Dr. Ayadura, Shiva Ayadura, amazing. He has some amazing stuff. So, folks, keep that immune system rocking and rolling. Okay, there's an email that just went out. And on our website very soon, and within a couple of hours, we have a full list of everything that we're offering in our grocery items. All the wines, spirits, things that we're offering. You can buy bottles of vodka from us, bottles of tequila. You can buy blood oranges. You can buy organic sweet potatoes. We have these amazing organic sweet potatoes here. We have local apples, Macintosh apples that we have a great source for. We have bread alone baguettes. We have bread alone whole wheat miche bread. The baguettes are the 7-grain. We have organic almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. Do not consume sugar. Do not go to Dunkin' Donuts. Do not go to Starbucks. Do not go to places right now that are going to pump your drinks up with sugar. All right? Do not drink soda. That is the number one thing that will kill your immune system is sugar. So do not go get those designer fancy coffees, donuts, things like that. This stuff will kill your immune system. Be very careful of that. All right? We have beans, local beans, Genesee Valley pinto beans, black beans, red kidney beans. These loaves of bread from Bread Alone, 100% organic, whole grain. You want to, I spoke yesterday about this a little bit on a short Facebook Live, that Flour products, breads. You go to the store and you're not buying organic bread, it has bromide in it. Look up bromide. Google dangers of bromide, brominated products. A lot of countries have banned brominated products, bromide in food. They've banned it. There are dangers. The US has not banned it. They just keep pumping in our food. So you need to buy organic bread to make sure you're avoiding bromide. We're getting scallops this week. People ask for scallops. We're getting scallops. We're getting halibut this week. I have halibut coming, scallops coming. We're even eating a black cod next week, Alaskan black cod. We have shrimp now, calamari, more calamari's coming. So you can buy from us American caught and American processed calamari. You can get high quality scallops from us, high quality shrimp from us. You can get all these high quality things from us. And that list is going to be on our website. If you go to our Facebook page and if you click the cover photo, the banner up there, the cover banner, and click that and read the description, in there you will see everything that we have offered right now. The list is growing and growing and growing. Hi Cindy, I saw your emails come in. I'm not sure if Jamie responded to you yet, but yes, Cindy, you're making a list. Have any fresh herbs? I don't have any fresh herbs per se, but that's something that we can consider bringing in. Just ask questions, people, of what we can bring in, because we can bring things in. Hi Bill, Bill is on. Hi Christina, Christina's on. Kimberly's on. Dean, Aileen, hello everybody. People, drop a comment, hashtag live if you're listening on the live. Drop a comment, hashtag replay if it's on the replay. All right, super important. The more you comment, the more people get to see these videos. Again, free gloves, we still have free gloves. I hope this has not come to an end, but I cannot buy any more gloves as of right now. I got my last shipment in yesterday and I cannot buy any more. We still have a lot, probably for 5 or 6 days, so I kind of figure out what I'm gonna do. Gloves, we're still giving these out for free, and we still have boxes for sale of these, $8 a box or a free handful. As a community service, free gloves, free ionized water. Watch that video yesterday of Bob McCauley, the naturopathic doctor who I interviewed yesterday. He has some amazing tips on keeping your immune system up and in tip-top shape, and the benefits of ionized water. This water that we're giving away for free, folks, is a miraculous water. It's a miraculous substance. Your body thrives on this type of water. It's free. We're giving it out for free. I have a $2,000 machine here. It was like $1,800, this machine. This is the machine that we use. It has 7 electrode plates. It's the big machine. Come in and get some free water from us. If you want a machine, you can buy a machine. Machines start at $750. 3 electrode plates. It's all you need at home. It's a powerful machine. If you want to spend $1,700, we can get you those machines too. Bob has those machines. We'll get them to you. We have an account with Bob, wholesale account with Bob, so we can get you all that kind of stuff and can ship here weekly. We've sold many water machines over the last decade. So if anybody wants a machine, we have a couple people that want machines right now. So that is possible. We can get more machines in ASAP if you want to make this water at home. This water is what you want to be drinking. Do not drink distilled. Do not drink reverse osmosis. Those are dead waters. You need to be drinking waters that are microclustered, that have a ORP, and Bob explains all this in the video. High antioxidants, high electrons. Basically stuff that's coming out of the water that comes out of fruit without the sugar and without the minerals. This is the type of water. It's a fresh, live water. High alkaline water is what you want. All right, folks, I've got to get going. Justin and I have to do a couple things here. It is pizza night tonight. Make sure you call your pizza orders in early. 647-3000. We sold a ton of pizzas last week. Justin and I work the kitchen. We do pizzas on Wednesday night. 2 for buy one get one pizza. It's not $9.99 pizzas, in case anybody thinks they're $9.99. They're the regular price, which start at $10.49 to $13ish. But if you buy one, you get one free. That's the deal tonight. Buy one get one free. A couple people asked me to do a $9.99 tuna deal, because they like that, what I did the other day. So stay tuned. Next week, Monday or Tuesday, or maybe Sunday, we're gonna start doing our tuna appetizer. It's normally $15. We're gonna start doing it for $9.99, 1 day a week. I'm not sure what day yet, so stay tuned for that. And then there is the tuna entree, which goes for like $33. We're gonna bring that down to probably $19.99 on one night only, a Monday or Tuesday or something. I'm not sure what day. Stay tuned for that. We're figuring things out as we go. Our jerk chicken last night was a big hit. A lot of our stuff is a big hits. Our Sunday hit with the mussels is a huge hit. Curry, mussels, and shrimp, all that kind of stuff. So, folks, I've got to go. Justin's waiting here for me. We've got to rock and roll. Take a look at the list. We have now chicken breast, We have boneless chicken thighs. We have scallops. We have shrimp. We have calamari. We have a bunch of really cool things now for you to cook at home. The mimosa kits were a huge hit last week. We're going to have more of those this week. We have grapefruit juice now. We have Natalie's fresh pressed grapefruit juice in half gallons. It's $10 a half gallon. It's a bargain. Really high quality grapefruit juice. We have coconuts, young Thai coconuts. I did a video yesterday morning on how to crack a coconut. $6 each. If you want me to crack it here, I'll crack it for you. If you want me to shave it down for you, I'll shave it down for you. Or you can just make a small incision when you get home, or I can crack it for you here and wrap it really tight, and you can be on your way with it. So, all right, folks, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later.